So we're week 3 of our 4-week 2-step class. This is the beginner level, and what we did today was add a couple of bonus pieces to what we did from week 1, we did from week 2, and then also a lean kind of dip that you can do at the end of each one, and then show you how you can link them both together if you choose. So going over adding the piece from week 1, quick, slow, prep, over, catch, and down. Here we added a couple of inside turns. Quick, slow, prep, inside turn. And then we went to new prep to get back to closed. And then here's where we did our lean. So doing it sideways. Quick, slow, prep, over, catch, and down. Quick, slow, prep, quick, slow, new prep, quick, back to close, and a lean this way. For our week 2 variation, again, we added a couple of inside turns. Quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, change the hand, quick, slow, prep, quick, slow, prep, quick, slow, new prep, quick, slow, and lean. And sideways, let's do it from this way this time. Quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, change the hand, quick, slow, prep, inside turn, prep, inside turn, new prep, inside back to close, quick, slow, quick, slow.